morning, friends. There's the highway. We are packing up and heading out on the road so Brian can go to this office that he's supposed to go do. I just put some stuff in the trunk and I just thought I would go ahead and start the vlog this morning. So happy Wednesday. This place is a really nice hotel, but like their breakfast kind of sucks. Like they were out of apple juice until the last minute and then they filled it up, and then the refrigerator was locked to get a yogurt. They just unlocked that and it's like, seriously? Anyway, but we are gonna be dropping Brian off and then I'm gonna kind of do some stuff around here. Not really sure what, because I think where these offices are that he's gonna be are like in the middle of nowhere. So not really sure. This hotel definitely is not full. Like the one next door, completely booked. But let's go see if anybody's around the food area. Then I'm not gonna try to film it. But if there's nobody there, then I'll go ahead and share with you guys what like all the food and stuff is. But oh well, then we're heading home today, which is nice because I like going home. Okay, so like this is the breakfast area. They give you like yogurt and milk and chobani, more yogurt, which is nice. You have a choice of some cinnamon rolls. You have some oatmeal, choices of cereal, little condiments here, jellies, peanut butter, eggs, sausage, omelets, gravy, and then you have bagels and muffins, which Brian and I split a bagel, and then there's condiments there for all of that, and then there's juice. Very nice. And this is the little sitting area for you to sit down and have breakfast, which is nice. And then that's the where you check in and everything, which is nice too. I love the furniture. Look at the color of it. How pretty is that furniture? And like I said, there's the registration where you sign in, and then there's the door that I came in down there. And this is what it looks like. Really nice. You give you nice computers, business area, and then of course there's restrooms down here, and then a little sitting area with ice, and then more rooms down there. But we are on the 3rd floor, so I have got to take the elevator up. Alrighty, so I just dropped Brian off at the first company that he has to go to today, and this is a very, very small town, so it's usually kind of sometimes hard for me to find like places to go, but there's usually like a McDonald's, which is right there, but I could like go sit in and, you know, do Wi-Fi and whatever and just wait for him if there's nothing to do around here. And so I like kind of pull around the corner and I'm like, ooh, let this be a Walmart, let this be a Walmart. Sure enough, there's a Walmart. So I'm just gonna go in here and walk around for a little bit and see what this local Walmart has to offer down here in these parts. See, there's McDonald's right there, so which is good. And then the place is just right around the corner, so if it's a really quick visit for Brian in there, then I'm just right around the corner and he can text and I'll go get him, and then he's off to his next place. But oh look, so they got like well, there's a Dollar General, there's a Taco Bell, KFC, but you know, Walmart's always Walmart. And then there's a Holiday, go ahead sir, there's a Holiday Inn that we could have stayed at too over there, which is so funny. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure, like this is a great area, but it's okay. So yeah, let's go in here and check out this Walmart. I used to live in Alabama. I lived in Alabama for about 3 years. Not this area. I lived up in Huntsville, but it's just kind of funny being in Alabama. All right, let's go check out this Walmart. Blueberry key lime, vanilla, strawberry banana, lemon, strawberry banana, and they have cookies and cream, chocolate, and peanut butter, but they do not have my caramel, and I wanted those so bad. It's crazy. This whole display. Alrighty guys, so I'm still in town waiting for Brian to finish up with his first visit, but I thought I'd go into Goodies really quick. There's Goodies, so I kind of thought I'd walk in there really quick just to kind of see what they have. It looks like they have some of their like purses and bags and stuff for 50% off, so I thought I'd go in there and check it out and see if I can find anything that I like. Maybe, maybe not. No big deal. I'm just really trying to waste some time. I did get a few things while I was at Walmart. One thing I got was this new thing to hang on my car for my phone and or my camera, because it does twist both ways, which I like, and it does stay up straight for me to put my phone in there, because the last one I had hooked to right here and I did not like that, and it actually even broke. So I needed to get rid of it anyway. And then I got Brian one too that has like a magnet, and all you do is just like connect the magnet on the back of your phone or in between your phone and your case, and then just it magnetizes and it catches on there. So I got him that one because he kind of mentioned it the other day. So I think they just opened the doors at Goodies. So I'm gonna go ahead and ready to pick up Brian. I scored when I walked into Goodies. I normally don't ever like get I don't get coupons for Goodies because I never go into Goodies. I don't even think we have a Goodies by us. But they had a really cute purse in there that I did buy, and I normally don't ever do like their whole credit card deal, but because I could get an extra 40% or 35% off today, yeah, 35% off today, if I applied and got approved. So I did, and I got this $70 purse for $38. So hello to new purse for me. Yeah, and I think I'll go ahead and do like a what's in my purse, what's in my new purse video. Probably I'll do it in the next couple of days or whatever, and I'll have it posted maybe one day next week. But this, I love this purse. It is so cute. It's G by Guess. Never heard of it, but anyway, no, it's just a cute color. I love it. It's really big, it's full, it's got a lot of nice compartments in them, and I like because I can actually use it as a crossbody, or I could just use it as a regular shoulder bag, and I love that. Those are pluses for me when it comes to bags. So yeah, I'll do a what's in my bag and show you guys my new purse in the next couple of days, but I'm gonna be picking up Brian here in a second, and then we're off to the next place. Alrighty guys, so we made it home, and it's 3:30. So nice. We actually stopped off at Publix right outside of Talladega and I picked up a turkey wrap, and Brian picked up a sandwich, and we just kind of ate it in the car and drove home, and we made it home safely. So nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me a little bit today. If you did, give this a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow in Angie Wonderland. Bye.